Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to multi-snap on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can check out some spotlights, stories where you can go and check out stories from your different friends. We have the camera and your location and your chats in the bottom left corner, as you can of course see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and multi-snap on Snapchat. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. First of all, you need to go and tap the plus on the camera screen and then tap. After you have done that, when you tap or hold the camera button repeatedly to take multi-photo and video snaps. After you have taken multi-photos and video snaps, tap edit and send. Of course, after you have tapped edit and send, tap a snap to edit it or X to remove it if of course you do not want to use that particular snap. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.